Okay, honestly, this is genius. Stop blocking.
I've got Susanna, William, Will,
Oh my god.
Jonathan, and Emily. I said Jonathan.
You hesitated. You went.
Yeah, I forgot your name. That's exactly what happened.
It's probably a lot of money.
Hey, I thought you said you didn't want to be in it. Okay, 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 okay. You know it. Maddie's the best big sister. It's sugar.
So this is the challenge for today. Trying to find an outfit for Jonathan under $50 in Abercrombie & Fitch because he was stupid and he ran in the water, and sure enough, he got soaking wet.
Are we really vlogging?
Hey guys, so update. Right now we're going on a hike to get in touch with nature. So I'll let you know how it goes.
Thanks.
Now William, you go. Hey, who's your favorite Disney character?
Don Lad. It's not funny.
Photo shoot?
God. Matthew. Oh well.
Let's go. Minion.
Yes. He's my butt. Look, that's his house.
Gru. Can I see him? Can I see one of your minions?
Look out, Maddie is ready. Edit this in. Look out, it's the fart gun.
No.
Yeah, that sounds really bad. Look at, turn around. Look how pretty that is.
Wait.
Come to a crossroads.
Oh no, Dorothy, we lost home.
Oh, is
What
that
is
all?
it? How do you say it?
We're not in Kansas City.
Oh, we're not in
We're not in Kansas anymore,
Oh,
Toto.
Dorothy, we lost home.
It's a stick, man.
There's a heart.
Life is just full of surprises.
Hey guys, it's Will, and I'm here at some random person's house, and I'm gonna knock on the door just for. So let's do it.
Welcome to California!
I'm not stopping.
Okay, so where are we now? I keep losing track.
Censored.
I bet you really want to see.
What's this? You guys can't see it.
What is
Oh
it?
no, what is it? Oh no, what is it? What is it? We'll never
None
know.
of your business.
We'll never know.
Hey guys.
Oh, what's... Oh, camera's here.
So I wanted to just, have a little sit down conversation because I have been away for a while and haven't really gotten the chance to make much content, but basically some changes are going to be made. I'm not going to be posting vlogs on this channel anymore. All of like the vlogs and like fun, like
videos.
oh yeah, all the good videos. That's going to be on a separate channel that I'm creating in partnership with. But anyway, so we're gonna be posting on there. I'm gonna keep this channel for like shorts and skits that I do, like the things that I produce professionally, and just kind of play around with another channel.
Maddie, we're supposed to keep it clean.
It's gonna be kind of a joint thing with me and my brother because I'm in like my senior year of high school and I'm trying to do lots of different things at once. And it's really hard and I'm really stressed out.
It's really hard. I'm really stressed out.
So
I'm a grinding sophomore.
Okay. This video is probably gonna be crap, but that's okay.
Maddie,
I'm
no
still
one
putting it
likes
out there because that's what people want to see.
I hate Maddie.
I'm wrapping up this video right here. All of this footage was from a very long time ago.
You better wrap it up, Maddie.
But I'm gonna insert this short film that I did while I was at my intensive. I am going to put the name of our new channel right here because I still have to make that. So once we figure that out, here it is. Go here. No more vlogs on this channel. If you want to see vlogs and daily stuff, weekly stuff, go here. We'll see you on our other channel, right?
Wait, yeah, and also guys, I just wanted to say.
Yeah. Alright, and enjoy the short film that I made. It's called The End, and it was a lot of fun. And it was made with an iPhone. Disclaimer, because that was the prompt. My production value has not gone down. I'm gonna stop making excuses for myself.
What production value did you have?
That's enough. Goodbye.
Close my eyes and I feel like I'm not even in my life, and I never wanna leave as I see myself running out of time.
He's my butt.